where we are moving towards this loan economy, and जैसे कि मेरे colleagues ने भी बताया कि this will severely affect disenfranchised and disadvantaged groups, further. And I teach in a women's college, and वहाँ पे मुझे पता है कि जहाँ भी लोन institutional लोन का मतलब होता है personal loan, and जहाँ पे parents अपने wards को भेज पा रहे थे पहले for further education, now they have to take loans, and if there are girls, they will not be able to take loans out for a majority of these girl students, and we will see them disappear from our classrooms. The second point that I want to touch upon is the composition of the commission itself. We all know that it is extremely central government heavy, so the ruling party has complete control and leash over higher education, and which completely goes against, and this is a point that has been touched upon earlier as well, it completely goes against federalism, and states का जो उनका जो power है यहाँ पे वो खत्म होता नजर आ रहा है हमको. In terms of regulation, the VBSA includes the mandate of closure of institutions as well, which is determined on the basis of performance and on the basis of learning outcomes achieved by the students. And जहाँ पे ये जो learning outcomes का audit है, this is the crux of the model, and this is very clearly leading to complete saffronization of the syllabus, and which will be the performance index, जैसे कि और लोगों ने भी बताया है. This will be the index of the survival of the institution. आप कितना Indian knowledge systems में इसको आप उसको मेल्ट कर सकते हैं, वहाँ पे डिपेंड करेगा कि आपको कितना परसेंटेज फाइनेंशियल हेल्प आपको मिल सकता है. The next point is that the bill is a fruition of NEP 2020, which had talked about HECI composed of 4 verticals. You had a standards council, an accreditation council, a regulatory body, and especially the HEGC, which is the grants council. But the present model of the VTSA completely erases this fact of the grant body. Grant body बिल्कुल खत्म हो गई है, disappear हो गया है, and while retaining the other 3, and which confirms that grants are going to be completely centralized and used for ideological compliance. And they are not going to be granted to the bulk of the institutions in this country, which is obviously going to lead to closures everywhere across states of institutions. And the VBSA is even worse than HECI in terms of the composition of the members. जहाँ पे 12 members की बात हो रही है, 5 are going to be direct recruits from the central government, 5 are going to be eminent experts nominated by the MOE, and they're clearly not going to be academic figures and are obviously going to be serving the dispensation, right? तो पूरा वो सिर्फ mouthpieces रहेंगे of the ruling party, and जो बाकी 2 हैं, the remaining 2 members who are supposed to be the academic members and state representatives could also very well come from BJP ruled states, right? They can completely invisibilize the existence of every other state and every other member, and just choose members from their own states ruled by their own party members, and they can obviously जो तो 10 members हैं वो तो उनके हैं ही, बाकी के जो 2 members हैं वो भी उन्हीं के ही लोग होंगे. तो obviously this is going to be a complete subversion of any kind of academic freedom or any kind of democratic composition that we have seen before.